Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining today. Today, my wife doesn't know this yet, but we are going to take her out in her Escalade to test her pedal commander just a little more thoroughly because they finally cleared some of the streets out there. It's barely springtime here in Saskatoon, Canada, but we're gonna take what we can get and we're gonna see what her favorite setting is, and then I'm gonna test it and see what my favorite setting is for the conditions that we have right now. So let's go. Okay, we don't have a lot of time. It's starting to get darker outside, so let's go get Mrs. Don's Life. What you doing right now?
I guess nothing.
Okay, you are going to come with me. We are going to give the fans an update on your pedal commander.
Oh,
let's go. They cleared the streets. So
I get to drive. You're not taking control.
Well, I'm gonna drive at the end. So let's go. Okay, we're running out of time, so let's make this happen. I think I'm gonna need my seatbelt on this one.
Yes, you are. You definitely are.
Okay, let's have a little bit of a plan.
Okay.
Here's what I'd like to do. Where's your pedal commander? Okay, what do we have it on here? Okay, so first off, is that where I keep leaving it?
No.
Where do I put it?
I don't know, but I don't like where you keep it.
So for the record, I keep putting it on City 2. Your foot's not on the gas at all, right?
No, this one part.
So main thing is everybody, do not make adjustments to the pedal commander switch with the throttle engaged, because that'll influence the voltage and you don't want to do that. So we are going to put it in City 2, which is what I predetermined for Mrs. Don's Life as
I think
probably
it was at City
safe.
1. I think it was on 1.
Okay.
And
either way, she changes it no matter what I put it on. I would change it to
sport if I could figure out how to get it there.
Well, let's just push this button.
Oh, that's a button.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was just a... Now I know.
Okay, don't push anything. Let's just start with City. You know what, we'll do City 4 because that's what you like, but then we'll move it up to Sport when we find some clear roads. So we'll start with you, and then we'll start with me. This will be mostly city driving, not on the track, not on the highway, so we're just going to figure this out. So let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, so this road's not clear yet. Oh, we got the rain coming. We got to beat the rain. So let's take a right here.
I have a full tank of gas still.
Well, you're not going to have a full tank of gas when we're done. Okay, so she's in two-wheel drive, which we've been in all-wheel drive, or auto four-wheel drive, I should say, for the majority of the winter. But now the snow's melted, we're back in two-wheel drive, so just the rear wheels. If there's any slip, the traction control should look after that, but the front is not going to compensate. So this will just be rear axle only. So let's slow down a bit, and then I want you to give it the beans, as you always say. Good, let's just try. Go. Okay, so little delay.
Little delay. See?
Okay, fair enough.
I could always go up a little more.
Okay, up a little more. You heard the lady. Let me show you how this works. She's not pushing the gas. So let's go to Sport. And let's go to Sport 1. Okay, you want to try that?
Oh, you can feel the...
That's better?
Yeah, you can feel a definite difference from...
You can feel the definite difference. She's got the moves.
Feel.
Okay, we're just going to find another stretch here and we'll test it again. Okay, we're just at an intersection, but I want to see if this is a little too jolty, if that's even a word, when you start. So let's see.
No, that's not at all.
You like that?
That wasn't a jolt.
If you were, I almost like fell out of my seat.
No.
Okay, yeah.
I mean, maybe Maggie wouldn't love it.
Yeah, our dog wouldn't like that. Okay, I think about when you're driving around town and the practicality of it. If you were downtown in a pedestrian-filled area, would you have it on Sport 1?
I could, because it's not like...
You have good control?
It's not like I just touch the pedal and you just go. You have to still... If you're downtown, you just let it idle through...
Smart driver. Okay, yeah. Okay. I retract my statements.
I'm not punching the gas roaring through downtown Saskatoon.
Okay.
Sport 1 from City 4, big difference.
Okay.
There isn't a whole lot of difference in these increments.
In these increments in Sport, you're not seeing a big change?
Not a big change.
Okay, I'm gonna give you the Sport Plus. Take your foot off the gas.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, your Sport Plus level 1.
Okay, I'm just gonna slow down so I can really feel it.
All right.
Really get it. Okay, ready?
Okay, give it.
Oh, it sounded like my turbos were humming.
And there's no turbos.
No turbo. Yeah, we don't have turbos.
Okay, I'm gonna give you one.
But I can pretend.
Let's put it right on the max. Actually, I think we need to be at a complete stop. Is there anyone behind us?
No.
Okay.
I'll just...
She's gonna come to a stop. This is controlled conditions. We're doing this safely. You notice we haven't been speeding, we've just been accelerating.
Yeah.
Okay, so wait, tell me when you're ready and I'll move it.
Okay.
You're not on the gas?
No.
Okay, let's change to 4. Good to go.
Oh my god!
Okay.
That you feel, like, instantly.
Okay, that's for track use.
That is not for me to have in the city because I didn't.
Okay.
I didn't.
Okay.
I'm barely touching the pedal.
So that's too much, right?
I'm barely touching the pedal.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to Sport. Don't push anything.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna switch it up, and I'm gonna do some tests, and Mrs. Donslife's gonna record. Oh, my seat's all
I can feel just you pushing on the
Yeah,
pedal.
I'm barely touching the pedal. This is, in my opinion, this is too sensitive.
What is that one?
This is Sport Plus 1.
No, Sport Plus is too much. Sport Plus
No,
is
this
way
is Sport Plus 1. Because you have 8 adjustments. This is the 5th setting out of 8 on Sport mode.
Okay. Well,
It seems like
you can feel
Yeah.
you can feel the difference between City 4
okay, I'm
and
gonna go to City.
and Sport 1, but Sport Plus, that's a whole nother level.
Okay, here's City 2. Like, it's still pretty decent.
Yeah, but it's funny. It's different when you're driving compared to when you're a passenger.
I'm turning traction control and stability control off, and we're just going to pull forward here. We have to add washer fluid too, according to your dash. I'm just in City 2 right now, which is the approved mode that I usually put it in for you. And let's go. Okay, it turns stability control back on, but that was a pretty moderate setting, pretty conservative. We're going to change it to Sport mode, and I'm going to go +4 and see what the difference is like. Nobody immediately behind me. Coming to a full stop. I gotta turn the stability control off again. And here we go. Okay, not bad, not bad. There's a difference, it's noticeable.
Not a big change though.
Not a huge change. And now we are going to go to Sport Plus.
Sport Plus?
Sport Plus, just like you did.
I don't have anything to hang on to but a camera.
And then that's all you get to hang on to. And then we're going to, it's really touchy.
It's really touchy.
Really touchy, everybody. And nobody immediately behind me.
Like, you wouldn't want that on if you're just bombing around the town.
I gotta wait for this intersection here. We'll straddle this manhole. We don't want to drive over it. It's not my turn yet. It's my turn now, and this BMW is gonna think I'm up to something.
Oh my god.
We
You
spun
my
out.
tires.
Spun the tires. Now that was 2-wheel drive. If I put it in 4-wheel drive, we should notice even a little more pull. So I'll change that over right now. So let's go to 4 high. It's shifting now. And we'll try this one more time with all the wheels turning. Ooh, it's really touchy.
I know, it's crazy.
Well, I'm at a red light, so we're just gonna go for it at the intersection. 4-wheel drive, highest setting possible, 6.2 liter V8.
And the person beside you is going to think you're trying to race.
Oh, automatically. So,
They do anyway. It doesn't ever matter.
all right, get ready.
Oh boy.
Well, it's gonna be more traction. Here we go.
Oh!
Yeah,
You
big
can just
difference.
feel the pull.
Pedal Commander works. So my personal preference is going to be City 2, I think.
And I'm going to take it and put it in City 4.
You probably will. But I think this is, honestly, I think this is sufficient right here. City 2 for around town doing the speed limit gives you that little bit that you need. But make no mistake, Sport Plus, especially cranked up, makes a big, big difference.
So on those days when I feel like everybody's just trying to race me, I can crank it up just a little bit.
Maybe. That's to your discretion. You're an adult. Well, I think that's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, you have to experience it in person to really know what I'm talking about. But every setting increases the throttle sensitivity, and your reaction time can start off a little more acutely in the beginning or a little suppressed. It just depends on the setting that you want it on. And in this case, we've decided that City 2
City 4.
is probably the safest around town. So we'll agree to disagree. Maybe I'm just getting a little more conservative in my old age, but I'm the one that spun the tires.
I'm younger.
And I could do a real, you are younger. I could do a real number and you'd be really mad at me if we really tested your vehicle. But that might have to be a different video, or maybe I'll test it on one of mine. But we're gonna end it there. So if you wanna get a Pedal Commander for yourself, I'll leave a link in the video description below. But if you like today's video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing, and we'll talk to you next time.